So this is the second part of the video. So it starts at the sternum. So you have the corpus, the rostrum,
It's the manubrium.
the trabeculae mediana,
What's better on this one? This is the, mediana is the middle one. Sorry.
yeah, and then intermedia,
Is this one here.
and then laterale.
On the medium, is it the intermedium comes off the medium? Oh, it comes off the lateral, is it? It comes off the lateral.
And you also have you also have the carina rostrally as well.
Where, sorry?
I think so. I need to check.
Okay.
And then you have the thoracic limb, which is split into the clavicular, which is different shapes depending on which species. The scapula, and then the coracoidium,
This one joining onto the scapula.
which is the strongest bone and articulates with the sternum, the humerus, and the scapula. And then you have the humerus, the radius, which is smaller, and then you have the ulna, which is larger, so it's backwards to what it is in mammals. You have the os carpi radiale,
This one, radiale.
and then os carpi ulnare. And then you have the metacarpal major and minor. And then you have the 3 digits, so the distus annularius, major and minor. And then the pelvic limb is made up of os ilium, os ischi, and pubis.
It's this little bit coming off.
And then you have the femur, the patella, and then the os crus is made up of the tibiotarsus and the fibula. And then you have the os tarso-metatarsus, which is formed of 3 bones. And then finally you have the digits. So you have pedis 1, which is has 2 phalanx and is backwards. Pedis 2, which has 3 phalanx. Digits 3, which has 4, and digits 5, which has 4, which has 5.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Or is it?
Well, maybe check that.
2, 3, 4, 5. I think
Like, little things like
it goes inwards, outwards.
What we say?
Is it ended?
Is it filmed one?